Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can travel to the ancient sands in Abyss Roblox. So if you're ready to leave the surface and explore the desert depths, here I'm going to show you the exact locations of the portal to the ancient sands in Abyss. So you can just follow my path in here, but first what you need to prepare is you need to at least have an, a good tubes. At least you have this normal tube or the puffer face tube like I do in here. And also you need to prepare some oxygens here, oxygen spot. You can go with this heavy one or the advanced one or the small oxygen pots. Okay, after you get that, you can just here beside the bestiary, you can just go out to the ocean and you'll see these ancient sands. But if it's your first time go to the ancient sands, then it will show up in a question marks. You can just go in here and just follow this sign until you arrive at the ancient sands. So if your oxygen's lower than 50, you need to use your oxygen spot. Okay, so I've arrived on the ancient sands, so you need to go down a little bit, but you need to maintain the depths for maximum 150. Okay, let's use the oxygens now. Okay, you can just go down again and you'll see this arrow right here, so you can go down again if your oxygen is lower, and then you need to use the oxygen spot again in here. Okay, so after this you'll see this entrance called Crazy Jeff, so you need to just go inside right here and then your oxygen will be back to normal, so you can just go inside here and you need to find this teleport so that when you want to go back to the ancient sands again, you can just easily use this one so that you don't need to go to the oceans to go to the ancient sands. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.